turn your side mirrors from this into this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Chris Time, and today we're going to be installing some side mirrors on the 11th gen Honda Civic. Let's go. I pretty much positioned my Type R at my blind spot. So basically you're driving and this is all you can see. So my blind spot is where the front end of the Type R is. So hopefully with these mirrors, we're going to get a wider field of view. And we'll be able to see this car, because it's very dangerous when you're driving on the highway. If you don't adjust your mirrors properly, you might not even see a car that's on the other lane. Sure, we have the blind spot monitoring, but still sometimes that can still fail. So since I have the EXL, I have the blind spot monitoring as well as the heated function. So that's why there's like this little logo. That way I'm not going to lose that functionality. And then if we flip it over to the back, there is a connector as well as this part right here, which it is sticky. So I'm just going to put this back on so that no dirt or debris gets on it. And here's the little connector, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is for the right side. So yeah, let's go ahead and install it on the 11th gen. Grab this tool and just pry this off. This is what the inside of your mirror looks like. So for those who have heated mirrors as well as the blind spot monitoring, you have these wires that go through. So they're connected over there. So what you need to do is kind of just pull it out. Okay, so this piece right here, you kind of just have to pop this off. There you go. There you go. That's it. Alright, so you're gonna grab your stock mirror and you're gonna get this white plastic thing off, and that's all you're gonna get, just this white thing. And what's basically holding it down are these clips that are on the sides. So you kind of just have to grab like one of these tools and you kind of just have to release them from their clips like so. There you go, it just pops right off. So once you remove this, then you're simply just gonna put it on your new mirror. Take this cover off, and it just goes in one way. You just kind of have to align these holes together. So just keep on turning it until all the holes line up with each other. So it goes in like this. Okay, and then you're just gonna push this in until it clicks in all the way. So it looks like that now. Just make sure all the clips are in. Alright, so now we're going to be plugging in the skinny wire and the big wire. So now we're back here and we're pretty much going to align this center one with that, and then these two with these two. But first you want to make sure that you plug these in first. So I like to start off with the smaller one because it's the longer wire. Make sure you hear the click. You see that little space? So that's where it that's where it goes. So you want to make sure that it's in here before connecting the bigger wire. Okay, so we're just gonna pop this in. All right. Make sure it's in all the way. This is with the side mirrors installed, so I am a lot safer because I can see my blind spot. Type R is on the other lane, so this is what I can see on my driver's side view mirror. And the whole point of having blue mirrors is so that we can reduce glare. So this is with the window open. Now mind you, my windows are tinted, and then this is with my windows shut. Now with this one, this is the stock mirror, and you can already see the difference, how close everything looks. And I'm just gonna point it at the Type R. You can see it's not reducing any of the glare, whereas the Suma one is reducing some of the glare, and then the stock mirror unfiltered has a lot of glare. So you can see the Type R clearly, whereas on the stock mirror, let me adjust it, you can only see part of it. Not even half of the Type R is showing. And again, you do still have your blind spot detection as well as your heated mirrors. Also with the passenger side mirror, you're not going to get this anymore. This objects in the mirror are closer than they appear message, because that's what it looks like, and we get the Suma logo, which is really neat. So in conclusion, I really like these mirrors because it eliminates most of my blind spot, if not most, then probably all of the blind spot, depending on how you adjust your mirrors. Also, the blue tint makes it easier for me to drive at night because it reduces glare from cars' headlights as I'm driving. So overall, this product is definitely worth it. I highly recommend it on if you're looking into getting wide angle mirrors for your Honda Civic. You'll also be able to keep your mirrors functionality, such as the heated mirror as well as the blind spot monitoring light. It also looks really good on the car because of the blue tint. It's making the car look a little bit more premium looking, and it's super easy to install. It's also very inexpensive. Anybody can do this on their car. Literally takes about 5 minutes to do each side. So if you're in the market for wide angle mirrors, Suma Performance is highly recommended for your 11th gen Honda Civic. Anyways guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any future suggestions on what kind of videos that I should be making in the future. Thank you all for watching. This is Chris Time, and peace out.